In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money to another Wise account. Now to do this, you want to sign into your account on Wise, and then you want to go to the Home tab and click on the Send button over here. Now, whenever you do this, you basically are going to have to select where you want to send. So I'm just going to click on Recipient on Wise over here, which is by far the easiest way to do this. So just click on the top button over here. And then from here, you want to select how much you want to send, or of course, how much the recipient gets. You can go and switch between the currencies over here. It doesn't matter. As you can see, it says you can enter an amount in any currency. So we're just going to do a 10 euro payment over here. There we go. And then the recipient will get this much. That's because of the fees. And down here, you can select your payment method. So of course, you can see debit card for me is the default. I can click on change here, and I can switch between debit card, manual bank transfer, credit card, simple bank transfer, or of course you have some other ones as well based on your location. So I'm just going to leave it like it is with the debit card, and then of course here it says arrives. You can leave it as today, so in my case it's going to be instant in seconds, or you could go and select a date to actually schedule this specific payment or of course transaction. Now whenever you do this, you can see the estimated fees down here. You can click on them for the full fee breakdown, and then over here you can just click on add recipient. And whenever you add recipient here, you can just go and select any of the recipients on your list if you have them already, or you can go and click on add over here, and then you'll be able to search them by their Wise tag, or of course you could go and enter name or IBAN for details. You can upload screenshots, invoices, whatever. So of course the easiest way is going to be to find them with Wise. So by Wise tag, email, phone, or business name. I'm just going to leave it like this because I have myself over here. And then what you have to do is select it. You're going to have to go through the review, so you're going to see all the review, and then you can just hit the pay button, and that's literally all you have to do to send money to another Wise account. Okay, just make sure you're sending to the correct person and to actually add them via Wise over here. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.